The dirty secret that big banks don't want you to know about. Warning, this video you are about to watch may anger you. However, we thought you should know the truth. What the retail trader does not know is that the foreign currency markets are highly manipulated for the benefit of a select few. The 10 biggest banks in the world provide 80% of the capital used to provide the liquidity in the Forex on a daily basis. The capital supplied by these banks is used by traders with special training in market manipulation. They are called market makers or dealers. The market makers use this capital to manipulate the price action on all foreign currency pairs to in turn take your money. They work for the banks to rip you off. Can they do that? Yes, they can. Actually, they manipulate the market and in turn trade against the retail trader. When you lose money trading, it goes to the banks because they take the opposite side of your trade. There actually is someone on the other side of the trade platform buying the order you just sold. Betting against you, one could say. Market makers use many sneaky techniques to manipulate the Forex. When you buy, they take the opposite side of your trade. When you lose money, it goes to the banks, and the banks pay the market makers a percentage of the profit they made. Market makers set traps, spike the pairs during news releases and the start of the Sunday session to force your stops to be taken out. They trade against you to take your equity and to fill their own pockets. To them, it's a business. That is why 90% of all Forex traders lose. The Forex brokers connect the retail trader to the interbank exchange like the internet service providers connect you to the internet. The brokers make their profit on the spread when a trade is placed. Market makers control the interbank exchange, and their job is to manipulate the price action of every currency pair and earn profit for their clients. Their clients are those big banks we talked about that supply them with liquidity. Did you really think that when you entered a trade, some random guy in Japan, just like you, was taking the other side of your trade? UK regulator and banks in talks over £2 billion FX probe settlement. Here's an article from Reuters that you can look up. We have the link provided here. There is new insight to this practice that hopefully will lead to this being more regulated. This is the logo of the new Financial Conduct Authority, is seen at the agency's headquarters in the Canary Wharf business district of London. The reasons why 95% of all traders lose money in the Forex are: the brokers that provide you your platform make their money on the spread when you enter a trade. The market makers make their money as a percentage of the profit they take from you, their paycheck for ripping you off every day. The banks make their money by draining your account from the manipulation the market makers commit. Market makers have many tricks to do this. They offer many different indicators for the retail trader to use, but they all rely on price action from the movement of the candles on your chart. I'm not going into all the ways that they do this. However, I will provide you access to a secret indicator that is all you need to trade the Forex with and beat them at their own game. All indicators being offered by the Forex brokers are designed to keep you dazed and confused. The market makers induce you to take a position so they can move a pair to the other side to drain your account. This causes you, the retail trader, confusion and self-doubt, causing you to close out of a trade with a loss. The fat cat bankers take your money. The truth is that movement in the Forex is not random. The Forex moves in a well-defined mathematical formula. There are special numbers that contain price action on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. The market makers use these secret numbers to reverse price action when you least expect it. These numbers have never been revealed before in any indicator until now. This secret indicator clearly shows you these numbers on any Forex pair. The numbers have nothing to do with Fibonacci, MACD, pivot points, or any other indicator being used by the retail traders. The market makers use these numbers to manipulate the market every day. Knowing where these secret reversal points exist on any chart is a key to your success. Know in advance where a pair may reverse and be prepared. Take it back from the bankers. Get the edge in your trading you have been searching for. Get access to the secret indicator and trade like a market maker, or don't trade at all. Now for the good news. There's a little-known Forex software package that's making a small group of investors rich by beating the big banks at their own game. It can flag exactly which Forex pairs are about to rise or fall by 100, 200, even 500 pips in the coming days and weeks. So what is the secret to its success? I can't get into all the details here, but I can say that it is derived by combining two of the market's most effective triggers: price action at specific price points and RSI. For example, you have undoubtedly heard of the pound-yen currency pair. If you are unfamiliar, the pound-yen is the cross between the Great British Pound and the Japanese yen. Our system flagged a trade on the pound-yen that ran over 1,000 pips in the last 3 weeks. Thanks to these triggers, this Forex software secret indicator has flagged countless more Forex pairs as buy or sell, even as we speak. And here's the free special offer. If you're interested in learning more and getting all the details, I have prepared a special report that pulls back the curtain on this secret Forex software and indicator. It gives you the name of the pairs that were just tagged as trades that are set to run over 125 to 250 pips in the next week or so. Enter your email address below to subscribe to our special report that pulls back the curtain on this secret indicator, and also our free investment advisory trade of the week. Don't delay. Enter your email address below now to have the special report emailed to you immediately. Thank you. From the Yen Guy.